In this video, I will be giving answers to one of the major questions or challenge that most catfish farmers are facing or want to know more about. The question is, what time should they fish their catfish they have in their farm? So, if you are a catfish farmer that want to know the time to what time you should feed your catfish in your farm, you will stick to the end of this video. I'm Bamidele Ayomekun. You are welcome to Aqua Market 7, your go-to channel for aquaculture tips, market insights, success story, and more ways to be productive and profitable in catfish farming. Without wasting any more time, let's dive into the video. I want you to believe with me that feeding your fish on time base is one of the aspects that promotes the FCR of your catfish. And remember that catfish farmers are not selling fish based on number of the fish, but they sell their fish based on the weight that the fish is able to gain at the end of the farming period. Which brings us to this aspect that feeding your fish on time schedule will also help you promote the health of the fish, the FCR of the fish, and the productivity of the fish. The more productivity you have, the more profit the fish at the end of the harvesting will bring. Feeding your fish on time base depends on the size or the old age of the fish. I'm going to give my recommendation of time-based feeding based on the size of the fish. You know, in our catfish farming, we have four different sizes, like four different sections of fish. We have fingerlings, we have fries, we have fingerlings, we have juvenile, and we have the table size. But in this video, we are not going to talk about the fry aspect because that one belongs to the hatchery aspect. But let's talk about the juvenile, the fingerlings, and the table size. And I still want you to believe with me that there is a difference between juvenile, fingerlings, and table size. A fingerlings fish is an old age from third week to sixth week, while a juvenile fish is a fish old age from sixth week to maybe 1 month or second month. And a table size is from third month probably to the fifth month before harvest. And the way they eat food are of different quantity. Feeding your juveniles on time base should, based on my recommendation, should be at least 4 times in a day, which is 8 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and 8 o'clock in the evening. I mean 8 o'clock in the morning after you weigh your feed, 12 o'clock by 12 in the afternoon, 4 o'clock in the evening, and 8 o'clock in the evening before maybe you change the water you have in your pond. And feeding your juveniles should be at least feeding them 3 times in a day if you want to maximize their FCR for more productivity and profit in your catfish business. Feeding them 3 times is very good and is appropriate. And the time base should be 8 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and 8 o'clock in the evening. I mean 8 o'clock in the morning, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and 8 o'clock in the evening. While the table size that you still have in your pond, maybe 6 has not gotten to that aspect. And you know that when you have reared a fish to a table size, one of the things you should do is to keep their weight by feeding them with what 9 mm to keep the weight gain they have gathered over the months of your farming. All those fish should be at least fed once to help them manage and also retain their FCR. And the time schedule for all these fish, this table size, is 8 o'clock every day. If you found value in this video, please do well to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you want me to talk on anything concerning catfish farming, please do well to make use of the comment section, and I believe that I will give the appropriate answer to your question.